In this short video I want to show how to copy a floppy disk from hard disk to floppy using the PC Tools FastCopy tool. I had some files here that initially the disk images have the file extension IMG, but the FastCopy tool needs a file extension 144 for high density floppy disk with 1.44 megabyte. So I executed this command before, so I don't need to execute again. And then I can start the FastCopy tool here. And then we see these options, of course. I could duplicate a floppy, create a master file. So this is a floppy disk image. Duplicate from master file, that means I can copy the floppy image to floppy and convert. Perhaps I made a copy of a lower density disk and want to upgrade it to a higher density, and then I can set up the drives, but I want to now copy a disk from hard disk to floppy. And you may wonder, how did I get the floppy images, let's say, to the computer? And that will be probably part of another video. But you see here the SD card adapter, which I have a extension cable. And with that I am able to have a virtual SCSI disk in the computer. So I can copy on the Mac or on the PC files to the hard disk, and then here on the hard disk I can work with the files. And now I want to create a floppy disk of such a floppy disk image. I know there are many ways to do this, but this is one way. So let's say duplicate from master file. I want to write a floppy disk an image to the floppy. So now this is disk 6 that I want to prepare. And that's I did before, so I don't need to do it again. So now is number 7. So I entered a new disk, and I enabled the format and verify copy, just to be sure that everything is working correctly. Now I updated the index here of the file name, and then I choose start copy with Alt S or Tab, and then it will do its work. So it formats and copies the content in one go. And actually I want to install a missing program in 2.OS2 on this computer. So this came with OS2 2.11, and a few options were not installed, and I didn't get the floppy disk. So I'm now creating a new set to modify the installation. So probably I will show in another video how I'm doing this. Yeah, you don't need to sit next to it because there will be a sound once it's finished. So you can go to another computer and yeah, come back when you hear the sound. Now it's finished. And oh, up to the next one. But I will not record this one. You can imagine how it goes.